If you sold your 90s pickup thinking it was getting too old, you just made the most expensive mistake of your life. And I'm going to prove it in the next 5 minutes. Last year, a guy in Arizona sold his 1994 Ford Ranger for $3 grand. 6 months later, that same Ranger resold for $14,000. He literally threw $11,000 in the trash because he didn't know what he had. 90s pickups aren't just old trucks. They're the last machines that were made to last forever. And while you're watching this video, thousands of people are paying fortunes for them. Subscribe, because here you'll discover what's really worth keeping.
Truck number 1, Toyota Tacoma, 1995 to 2000. The 90s Tacoma is like that friend you call at 3 a.m. and he picks up on the first ring. Always works. There's a guy in Oregon with a 1996 Tacoma, 478,000 miles, original engine, original transmission, never left him stranded. Never. Not a single time. He posted a picture of it on Reddit and got 67 purchase offers in 24 hours. The highest? $18,000 for an almost 30-year-old truck. The secret? Toyota in the 90s still had that Japanese mentality of building for your grandson to drive. Every part was over-engineered. It's like building a bridge to hold 10 trucks, but only one car crosses. Never strains. You lost yours? Get your wallet ready. Tacomas from that era with under 200K miles cost between $12,000 and $22,000, and they're disappearing from the market fast.
Truck number 2, Ford Ranger 1993 to 1997. The Ranger from that generation is the truck your dad should have kept. Simple as that. Let me tell you about Mike, a mechanic in North Carolina. He runs a junkyard. Know how many 90s Rangers show up there? 0. Know how many from 2010 onwards show up? 2 per week. Does that tell you something? This Ranger was the last one made before Ford started complicating everything. The 4.0 V6 engine is basically a rock with pistons. So reliable that landscaping companies buy Rangers with 300K miles and run another 200K without even looking at the engine. And the market knows it. A 1995 Ranger XLT in good shape? $8,000 to $15,000. 3 years ago, it was worth half. In 3 years, it'll be worth double. You've been warned.
Truck number 3, Chevrolet S10, 1994 to 1998. The S10 from that era is the truck everyone underestimated, and now they're paying dearly for it. True story, a farmer in Kansas had 5 S10s from that generation. His daughters begged him to sell those old jalokies. He didn't. Today, each one is worth more than his daughter's new cars. Pure irony. The 4.3 Vortec V6 engine is practically immortal. It's the same block as the V8, just smaller. Means it works super relaxed. 200,000 miles for this engine is like you walking to the mailbox. Doesn't even break a sweat. Construction companies fight over these trucks at auctions. I've seen a 1996 S10 with 400K miles sell for $9,000, and the buyer left happy because he knows it'll run another 10 years easy. Price today? $6,000 to $13,000 depending on condition, and every month that passes, it goes up a bit more.
Truck number 4, Dodge Dakota 1991 to 1996. The Dakota is the bad boy of 90s trucks. Everyone's scared. Those who know love it. There's a guy in Texas who collects V8 Dakotas, has 7 of them. The community thinks he's crazy until they found out he rents them for $200 a day for film shoots and events. Makes $5 grand a month with trucks that cost $4 grand each. Genius or genius. The Dakota's 5.2 Magnum V8 is a tank. Dodge in the 90s didn't know how to make weak engines, only knew how to make engines that break everything in their path. 230 horsepower might not seem like much today, but this engine was made when durability still meant something. The best part? Everyone's scared of the Dakota, so you can still find them at decent prices, $5,000 to $11,000, but it won't last. Collectors are already watching. Truck number 5, GMC Sonoma and Chevrolet S10 ZR2, 1994 to 1999. The off-road version of the S10 is the hidden gem very few people know about. Yet. An investor in Nevada bought 12 ZR2s in 2020, paid average of $4 grand each. Today, refused an offer of $180,000 for all 12. Do the math. That's 15 grand per truck. 275% appreciation in 5 years. Bitcoin who? The ZR2 came with Bilstein reinforced suspension, bigger sway bars, and bigger tires. It's basically a Raptor before the Raptor existed, and with an engine that lasts forever.
There's an online community of ZR2 owners where the guy with the least mileage has 280,000 miles. The one with most, 680,000. Original engine. This isn't a truck, it's a family heirloom. Finding one today? Good luck. When they show up, they're gone in hours. Price? Between $10,000 and $20,000 depending on condition, and only going up.
So which one did you let slip away? Which one do you still have in the garage worth gold and don't know it? Here's the truth nobody tells you. These 90s trucks were the last ones made before manufacturers discovered that customers with trucks that don't break don't come back to the dealership. From the 2000s on, everything changed. Electronics that fail, plastics that crack, engines with unnecessary turbos that blow up. Everything made so you need to buy another one in 10 years. But these 5 I showed you, they're among the last honest machines. Real steel, simple engines, no touchscreens that freeze, no sensors that stop the truck out of nowhere. And the market's already noticed. While new trucks lose 30% of their value in 3 years, these 90s ones are gaining value. It's investment disguised as transportation. You have one of these? For God's sake, don't sell. Your kids will thank you. Don't have any? Start looking now, because in 5 years, you won't be able to afford them. Drop in the comments, which one do you have, or which are you looking for? Because the community here can help you find it. And next week, I'm going to show you the 5 trucks from the 2000s you should avoid at all costs. One literally melts the transmission. Don't miss it. If this video made you realize you left money on the table or helped you appreciate what you have, hit that like button. It really helps. See you next time.